Dear friends, now discuss about the electron displacement effect. There are four types. Number one, inductive effect. It is represented by I. Second one, mesomeric effect. It is represented by M. And resonance effect. It is represented by R. Third one, electromeric effect. It is represented by E. Fourth one, hyperconjugation. These are four types. It is explain the electron displacement. In four types, first two are permanent effect and third one is a temporary effect. Now discuss about the inductive effect. Simple tricks. Inductive effect, it is represented by I. Definition: displacement of sigma electrons towards more electronegativity species is called inductive effect. Means the sigma electrons attracted by more electronegativity species is called inductive effect. For example, X element is attached to the carbon chain. So the X has more electronegativity than carbon. The carbon has less electronegativity. Sigma bond present in between the carbon and X element. So the sigma electrons is attracted by the X element because more electronegativity. Then X has partial negative charge. Carbon has partial positive charge. Now this effect is gradually decreases on second carbon and third carbon. And this effect is neglected after third carbon. Means this effect is not on fourth carbon. Now X means it is the electron withdrawing group. It is the negative inductive effect. It is represented by minus I. If Y element is attached to the carbon chain, the Y has less electronegativity than carbon. The carbon has more electronegativity. So the sigma bond present in between the carbon and Y. So the sigma electrons attracted by the carbon because more electronegativity than Y. So the carbon has partial negative charge and Y has partial positive charge. Now this effect is gradually decreased on second carbon and third carbon. After third carbon this effect is neglected. Means this effect is not on fourth carbon. So the Y means electron releasing group. So it is the positive inductive effect represented by plus I. Inductive effect are divided into the two types. They are number one plus I, second one minus I. Plus I, electron releasing group. Minus I, electron withdrawing group. All alkyl groups are electron releasing groups. So these are plus I groups. All functional groups are electron withdrawing group. These are minus I groups. Plus I order CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2 taken twice, C, CH3 taken twice. Tertiary, secondary, primary. So this is the inductive effect increasing order. Inductive effect increasing order. The plus I is increasing order. This effect is increasing order. So tertiary is more inductive effect. And minus I order, the negative inductive effect order NO2, CN, SO3H up to H. So this is the order minus I. This is order plus I. Examples: CH3 plus primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation. So the inductive effect decreasing order 4 is more inductive effect than third one, second one and first one, because the fourth one is the tertiary carbocation. It is the more inductive effect than secondary and primary. So this is the inductive effect decreasing order 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, carbocation and carbon free radical. Both are same order, means same characters, but carboanion is reverse order. CH3 means only one carbon present. CH3CH2 means two carbons present. CH3CH2 means three carbons present. If number of carbons increase, then positive inductive effect also increase. So the correct order 3 is more positive inductive effect than second and first, because in third one 3 carbons present. So if increase the number of carbons, then positive inductive effect also increase. Next, if increase the distance, then inductive effect is decrease. This is the point. For example, in this is the functional group alcohol group. The chlorine is attached to the second carbon, beta carbon, from the alcohol functional group. In chlorine is attached to the third carbon, means gamma carbon, from the functional group. So in first example, less distance from the alcohol. In second example, more distance from the alcohol. So first one is the more inductive effect than second one, because the distance is increase, then inductive effect is decrease. Next one, if we increase the percentage of the S character, then electronegativity is increase and negative inductive effect is also increase. For example, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Now these two carbons are sp2 carbon, these two carbons are sp3 carbons. S character is more in sp2 than sp3, so this is the more negative inductive effect than sp3. So that is the order. So what is the character? If they increase the percentage of the S character, then electronegativity is increase and negative inductive effect also increase. Now characteristics of the inductive effect. First point, it is permanent effect. Second one, electronegativity difference in between the atoms. Third one, this effect is operated through the sigma electrons only. Fourth one, if we increase the number of carbons, then positive inductive effect increase. Fifth one, carbocation and carbon free radical both are same order. So that is the order. The tertiary carbocation is more inductive effect than secondary and primary. So both are same characters, but carboanion is reverse order. Sixth one, if we increase the percentage of the S character, then minus inductive effect is increase. Seventh one, it is the distance dependent, means if we increase the distance, then inductive effect is decrease. So that is the inversely proportional. So these are characteristics of the inductive effect. Next, discuss about the applications. First point, stability of the carbocation, carboanion and carbon free radical. The stability of the carbocation and carbon free radical both are same order, but carboanion is reverse order. For example, electron donating group is attached to the carbocation, then charge is decrease and stability is increase. If electron releasing group is attached to the carbocation, then charge is increase and stability is decrease. For example, CH3 plus CH3 CH2 plus, only one electron donating group attached to the C plus. CH3 CH3 CH plus, two electron donating group attached to the carbocation. CH3 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 C plus, three electron donating group attached to the carbocation. So in this, fourth one is charge is decrease and stability is increase because three electron donating group attached to the carbocation. Then charge is decrease and stability is increase. Then third one, second one and first one. So that is the correct order. Fourth one is more stability, then third, second and first. So this is the stability is decreasing order. Next, carbon free radical is same order with carbocation, but carbanion is reverse order with carbocation and carbon free radical. Second point, acidic strength of the carboxylic acid and alcohol. Third one, basicity of the amines. Now the simple table, simple trick for the identify the, remember the characters. So what is the simple trick? Plus I groups or decrease the acidic strength and increase the basicity. Minus I groups or increase the acidic strength and decrease the basicity. So this is the simple table. It is the useful for the easily identify the acidic strength and basicity. Examples: CH3COOH, Cl CH2COOH. One chlorine is attached to the carbon. Two chlorines attached to the carbon. Three chlorines attached to the carbon. The chlorine is negative inductive effect. So minus I group. So acidic strength is increased, basicity is decrease. Now one chlorine, two chlorines, three chlorines. So minus I groups is increase, then acidic strength is also increase. So fourth one is more acidic strength than third, second and first, because the fourth one has three chlorines. So the minus I groups are more attached to the carbon. So the fourth one is more acidic strength than third, second and first one. So that is the order. Acidic strength is decreasing order. Second one, HCOOH, CH3COOH, CH3 is plus I, CH3CH2COOH, CH3CH2 both are plus I. So plus I groups, acidic strength is decrease and basicity is increase. Now here the acidic strength is decrease order. First one is more acidic strength than second and third, because in second plus I group, in third plus I group increase. So plus I group is increase, then acidic strength is decrease and basicity is increase. So first one is more acidic strength than second one and third one. That is the order. And next example, this is the amine group. This is the primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine and ammonia. The primary amine is attached to the CH3, means plus I. If we increase the plus I groups, then acidic strength decrease and basicity is increase. So that is the correct order. So that is the second is more basicity than first, third and fourth. The third is generally more basicity because here steric repulsions, steric hindrance is formed. So it is the less basicity than first one. So that is the correct order, basicity order. Second is more basicity than first, third and fourth. So this is the inductive effect applications. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you to all.